From drawers and cabinets to glass inlaid tables, there are tons of uses for rabbets, and even more ways to construct them. Whether you make them by hand or at your router table, Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges make layout fast and machine setup simple. The set of 3 gauges features steps from 1/16 of an inch all the way up to 3/4 in each 1/16 inch increment. They're in production now, so let's head out to our shop in Strongsville, Ohio to see how they're made. Our first stop is here at one of our state-of-the-art CNC machines. Each rabbet gauge is precisely milled from solid aircraft-grade aluminum. Each gauge is inspected to our exacting tolerance, then anodized in our signature Woodpeckers red. Finally, they're laser engraved and sent over to our shipping department to be packaged up and shipped directly to your shop. Make fast, accurate, and repeatable rabbets with Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauges. As part of our one-time tool program, they're only built to order. Check our website to see if orders are currently being accepted.